to Artsy Bay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make bobbin, thread your SINGER INGENUITY sewing machine, and threading your bobbin. Earlier I just made sure everything was threaded right and that it clicks when it hits that circle right here, and so I'm just going to do a little bit so it can get started, and then make sure to cut that tail off and you can continue on with the pedal. Please watch carefully as I demonstrate threading my SINGER INGENUITY. So there is already a diagram on there and it has 4 steps, so just follow along. It is so important that your thread gets hooked right here on the 4th step. So you can turn the side wheel to adjust where your thread needs to go, and that might make it a little bit easier. Right now I'm coming in from the right and looping my thread through the bigger loop on the left side of my needle. Please pay attention to the diagram on the left. See that the thread is going to start out of the left. You're going to hook it on the right side of that middle loop. Completely turn the side wheel around one time and you will see it loop, and you will just pull your scissors through that loop. Don't forget to try out your new threading on a scrap before you do a project.